Welcome back! Thank you for clicking in my video. Today's recipe is very simple and easy to make as you only need to steam it. I hope you will like it. This recipe has eggs, tofu, and vegetables, so you can have a whole meal with just one recipe. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: eggs, egg tofu, vegetables, chilies, coriander. Wash and chopped coriander. C. Coriander is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which help boost immunity and improve digestion. Wash the vegetables and remove the roots. I use Chinese cabbage for this recipe. If you have broccoli at home, I suggest you put it in, because the steamed broccoli will be greener and look better. Just cut a knife in the middle of the packaging bag to squeeze out the egg tofu easily. Cut chili into small pieces. Add a tablespoon of scallion soy sauce or soy sauce on plate. 1 teaspoon sesame oil. Add a tablespoon water. Add chilies. Add coriander. Mix the sauce with spoon. Crack egg into plate. If there are more people in your family, you can make more eggs. Cubes egg tofu and arrange nicely on plate. Arrange vegetables outside a plate. Egg is ready to be steamed. Let's steam egg. Steam for 15 minutes. Steamed egg is done. Drizzle scallion soy sauce or sesame oil. Easy steamed egg is ready to be eaten. Steamed poached eggs are a simple and exquisite dish. This dish is golden in color, smooth in texture, and rich in nutrition. It is a warm choice on the home dining table. Eggs, the perfect food given by nature, contain the essence of life and a treasure trove of nutrition. Its protein is of high quality and contains all the essential amino acids needed by the human body. It is a high-quality raw material for muscle growth and repair. The lecithin and choline-rich in egg yolks are of great benefit to brain development and memory retention. In addition, eggs also provide vitamin D, B group, and minerals such as selenium and zinc, building a healthy defense line for the body. Eggs are a good product for the elderly to nourish their body and mind. Their rich high-quality protein helps maintain muscle quality and resist muscle loss caused by the years. The lecithin in the egg yolk is like a beacon of wisdom, illuminating the ocean of cognition and helping to delay memory loss. The blessing of vitamin D is like the soothing of the sun, promoting calcium absorption, strengthening bones, and resisting the invasion of osteoporosis. The antioxidants in it are like loyal guards, guarding cells and slowing down the pace of aging. Eating eggs in moderation can add a touch of warmth to the healthy life of the elderly. Elderly people should follow the principle of eating eggs in moderation. It is generally recommended to eat 1 to 2 eggs a day to meet nutritional needs without increasing the burden on the body. Eggs contain high cholesterol, so elderly people with cardiovascular diseases should adjust their intake under the guidance of a doctor. Cooking eggs by boiling, steaming, or poaching can better retain nutrients and reduce fat intake. Eating eggs with vegetables can increase dietary fiber and promote digestion and absorption. In short, reasonable matching and moderate consumption can make eggs a part of the healthy diet of the elderly. People who are allergic to eggs should avoid eating them to avoid allergic reactions such as rashes and breathing difficulties. People with high cholesterol or cardiovascular disease should limit their egg yolk intake under the advice of a doctor because of its high cholesterol content. People with gallbladder disease may need to reduce their egg intake to avoid stimulating gallbladder contraction and causing discomfort. People with renal insufficiency need to control their intake of protein foods such as eggs due to limited protein metabolism. Finally, people with specific diseases or special physical conditions should adjust their egg consumption according to their personal health status and doctor's guidance. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah! I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.